Hello Stamper, welcome to Francie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And for some reason, many people lately email me, ask me about my fine tip glue, what I use, how I use my Tombow in it. Way back in March 2017, I shared that. It was on a Facebook live. Also, I've been using that in my videos since last year. I mean, it's at least a year. So here is how I done it. So when you are done with the fine tip glue, or you can put it in another container or whatever. It's just the fine tip glue is not as strong as the Tombow, and I want that small applicator there. This is what I want. So what you're going to do after you're done, or even if it's not all the way empty, like 3/4 empty, just a quarter in, that's what I done. I didn't empty it, I just left it there, and then I keep on filling it. So I'm going to remove the cap itself. And then when you get a new one of that, it's a seal there. You have to make sure to remove. Now I'm using the Tombow. And in the Tombow, maybe you don't know that, I might as well share it. You get the fine tip, that what I use most of the time. But when you get a big piece of cardstock or whatever, you can use the big applicator. So now to pour it in my container, it's easier if I remove this here. Just, you're going to get your finger glue a little bit, put that aside, then just take this and move it in. After you are done filling this, oops, I should have had here we go. Now you're going to take back your tip, put it there if you don't put it all in. Now you get still this here. Now I get very inky fingers. And then you're going to take this and put it on. Here is a tip that I'm going to share with you. When you use your, this is the other one. So it's 2 screws really. So you just remove the white cap. And let me bring a piece of scrap paper here. So it's perfect for small place or even, see? So when you are done, what you want to do is take a tissue or whatever, just wipe the tip, and I just bang it down. So the glue go down and don't stay in the barrel. That little needle there, see the little needle? It's very important that you put that in the barrel. So then when you come to use it, usually I put my finger there. That make it slide easy, see? Then just push it down and close it. I've been using the same fine tip glue with the Tombow or the multi-purpose glue in it for over a year. I just keep on filling it. And I didn't have no problem. But I think my best tip that I can tell you is when I'm done, I make sure that the glue go down, it don't stay at the top. So this is it for my tip on the fine tip glue with the Tombow. Hope you enjoyed the tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Again, to purchase this, just go below in the link. It's going to be right there. You can shop at FrenchieStamps.com. That's all shipped in the US only. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now.